Do you dream of studying abroad? Study in Russia. Enter Astrakhan State Medical University, a university with a century-old history that prepares impeccable professionals and leading specialists in the medical field. The university is a leading higher educational institution in Russia, recognized by the World Health Organization, which is an absolute guarantee of high-quality education and world recognition. More than 1,000 professors teach, and more than 6,000 students study at the university. About 3,000 of them are foreign students from more than 75 countries of the world. Would you like to study among the best? Take the first step towards a successful career. Get quality higher medical education that meets international educational standards. Make your dream come true. The admission is open.